12 health benefits of lime and lemon that you probably haven't heard of yet. Lime and lemon add refreshing zest to almost any drink, which cleanse and enhance immune properties of your already healthy glass of juice. Lime. The lime is a small citrus fruit, like a small orange, with skin and flesh that are green in color. It is round with a diameter of about 1 to 2 inches. Most limes are sourish and have an acidic taste, but when consumed is really alkaline. Lemon. The lemon is a small, oval-shaped fruit which is approximately 2 to 3 inches in diameter. Its outer peel is bright yellow in color and contains essential oil that is mainly limonene. Like the lime, lemon has a sourish and acidic taste, but when consumed has an alkaline effect in the stomach. Nutritional benefits of lime and lemon. The nutritional benefits of limes do not differ very much from those of lemons. They are both excellent sources of vitamin C, B6, potassium, folate, flavonoids, and the outstanding phytochemical, limonene. Limonene have anti-cancer effects and help increase the level of enzymes that detoxify carcinogens. Health benefits of lime and lemon. Limes and lemons contain outstanding phytochemicals that are high in antioxidant and anti-cancer properties. They are potent detoxifiers with antibiotic effect that is protective against bacterial poisoning. Asthma. Take a tablespoon of lemon juice at least 1 hour before each meal to relieve asthma. Burning sole's feet. Rub a sliced lemon over the burning sole foot heel to relieve from pain and for toxin elimination through the pores of the feet. Cholera. The potent antiviral properties in lime lemon can kill cholera bacilli within a very short period of time. Drink 1 part juice and 1 part water regularly, especially during an epidemic. Cold. The antiviral properties in lime lemon fight infections and halt the progress of a cold. Take the juice of 2 lemons in half a liter of hot water and add raw honey to taste. Sip it slowly before bedtime. Constipation. Drink a glass of warm water every morning with some lime lemon juice with raw honey. Stir in a pinch of cinnamon powder. This will help your body to detoxify and relieve constipation. Digestion. Lime lemon juice have amazing digestive qualities that are very similar to our digestive enzymes. Thus it effectively helps with digestion and relieve bloating and belching. Feet. Tired. After a long day on your feet, soak your feet in very warm water containing lime lemon juice to enjoy the cooling, astringent feeling. This will also help promote deep sleep due to the relaxing action on the foot nerves. Gums. Swollen. Drink a glass of diluted fresh lime juice with a pinch of sea salt to relieve the pain of swollen gums. Use the albedo, the white matter under the peel, from the squeezed lime and rub on the gums. Heartburn. Add 2 teaspoons of concentrated lime lemon juice into a glass of warm water and drink to relieve heartburn. Inflammatory disorders. Even though lime lemon juice are sour and taste acidic, it is actually very alkalinizing in the body and is highly effective in the treatment of inflammatory disorders like rheumatism, arthritis, sciatica, etc. It also prevents the deposit of uric acid in the tissues, thus reducing the risks of gout. Skin dry. Rub the peel of a lemon on dry or scaly skin to restore softness and add moisture to the skin. Sore throat. Mix 1 part lemon juice with 1 part water. Gargle frequently and feel its soothing effect on the throat. You may also add in a pinch of sea salt for added effect. Consumption tips. The highest content of limonene is found in the white spongy inner parts of the lemon. When juicing a lemon, put in the whole fruit together with the peel. To get the most nutrition out of it, be sure to wash and brush the dirt off the skin before doing so. Make it a habit to put in cut lemons, together with peel, into your drinking water or juices, to enjoy all its medicinal properties. With lemon juice in your drink, the absorbability of the other nutrients in your drink is increased up to 5 times. Tip: juice a glass of either lime or lemon juice and make ice cubes out of it. When you have a drink, pop a few lime lemon cubes into your drink for a refreshing taste while enjoying its immense health benefits. Limes and lemons can be stored for up to 1 month with this trick. Although they can actually keep longer, it will soon lose its flavor after too long. When buying lemons, look at the stem end of the lemon. There should be about 4 or 5 little lines radiating out of the stem. The greater the number of these lines, the higher the mineral content of the lemon. Cautionary note: despite all the goodness that lemons provide as mentioned above, remember always to take only in moderation. More is not always better. Some people are allergic to citrus peels, so when you take lime lemon juice extracted together with the peel, check yourself to see if there is any allergic reaction afterwards.